Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to add coolant to your Land Rover Discovery Sport. First, always ensure your engine is completely cool before attempting to check or add coolant. This is crucial for safety. Next, park your vehicle on a level surface to get an accurate reading of the coolant level. Finally, consult your owner's manual to confirm the specific type of coolant recommended for your Discovery Sport model, as using the wrong type can cause damage. Now, let's locate the coolant reservoir. It's usually a translucent plastic tank found under the hood, often with a blue or black cap. You'll notice distinct MIN and MAX markings on the side of the reservoir. These lines indicate the acceptable range for your coolant level. It is important that your coolant always falls between these two markers, never below the minimum or above the maximum. When adding coolant, always use the manufacturer-specified type, which is often a 50-50 mix of coolant and distilled water. Carefully and slowly pour the coolant directly into the reservoir. Continue adding until the liquid reaches the MAX line on the side of the tank. It is very important not to overfill the reservoir, as this can create excessive pressure within the cooling system and potentially cause damage. After adding the coolant, ensure the reservoir cap is securely tightened to prevent any leaks or evaporation. Then, start your Land Rover Discovery Sport's engine and let it run for about 10 to 15 minutes. This allows the new coolant to circulate throughout the system. Once the engine has completely cooled down again, recheck the coolant level. If it has dropped below the MIN line, add a small amount more until it reaches the MAX mark.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.